Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Doris. Here I want to show you my stock account. This is my first day creating this account, and here is about $100,000 in it. And just by today, I've made $1,614.86. The only position I have is Tesla, and I want to show you how I made this. So I bought it around 137.99, and we can see that even though the close price for Tesla today is 137.8, but the aftermarket price has risen up by 0.92%, and it's now 139.07. So here we are at the Tesla's today's price. In total, the Tesla's price for today has dropped for around 8%. And we can see that in the middle of the period, the price is relatively steadily dropping. And at the end, it dropped like a steep slope. So my strategy is to buy it around the end of this dropping period because since it's already dropping that much, it means that the aftermarket will maybe rise up a little bit. And we can see that the post-market period, it has dropped a little bit to here around 5 p.m.-ish, and then it has steadily rise up since then. That's a slight bounce back from the 8% low close price of today. There are several reasons why Tesla stock has been dropping recently. First, Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has been consecutively selling his stocks of Tesla in order to raise money to finish his buying of Twitter. This really decreases his shareholding portion of the company, and other investors in Tesla are not happy about this because they think that Elon Musk is not dedicating to Tesla as much as Twitter now. However, Tesla CEO Elon Musk is said to be actively looking for a new CEO for Twitter. The second reason is the global recession due to the rising interest rates. Because people's buying power are decreasing, their demand for Tesla electric vehicles are also decreasing, which means Tesla's profit has also decreased. Also, Elon Musk's involvement in politics has also lost interest of some of his followers, as he continued to publicly express his support for the Republican Party. People began to doubt his promise for keeping free speech in Twitter and also various policies that regulate free speech in Twitter. And next, let's see how the market is doing today. The Dow Jones rose 92.20 points, or 0.28% to 32,849.74. Nasdaq rose to 1.8 points, or 0.01% to 10,547.11, and the S&P rose 3.96 points, or 0.10% to 3,821.62. As for Dow Jones, it's been steadily decreasing in the past year. We can see that since its peak in January 2022, it's been decreasing like this. And the low of each drop is around here. However, we can see that the recent high for Dow Jones has passed this line, which means that when it returns back to the low point, it might go even lower than this point and may go to even here. Therefore, we can see an opportunity to sell short Dow Jones in the near future. That's only considering its performance in the long term. But in the short term, we can see that Dow Jones has dropped significantly in the past few days. We can see that it has dropped from 34,000. We can see that it has dropped from 34,712.28 to 32,849.74, and that's about 6%, 5.8%. And Dow Jones has already shown a slight bounce back, and we can imagine that it will follow this trend in the next few days. Looking at the industry heat map as a whole, we can see that most of the industries are recovering a little bit, from the recent decrease, and yet several industries are showing a slight decrease, such as drug manufacturers, consumer electronics, semiconductors, internet retail, healthcare, and diagnostics. Yet automobile is showing a significant decrease, perhaps due to the influence of Tesla. The US stocks closed slightly higher on Tuesday, and the major stock indexes ended previous 4 consecutive trading days of decline. The market continues to focus on the risk of a US recession and the outlook for the US stocks. Global financial markets were rattled by the Bank of Japan's unexpected announcement to expand the cap on 10-year Japanese government bond yields. On Tuesday morning, the Bank of Japan unexpectedly raised the upper limit of its 10-year government bond yield target, suggesting that the last developed country to stake a very low interest rate is also gradually moving towards policy normalization. The bank said it allowed the yield on Japan's 10-year government bond to rise to around 0.5%, above the previous upper limit of a 0.25% range. The Bank of Japan said the move will enhance the sustainability of its monetary easing policy. The bank also said it would significantly increase its monthly bond purchase to 9 trillion yen, around $67.5 billion, from the currently planned 7.3 trillion yen. This had indirectly helped keep borrowing costs low globally. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to press subscribe and like. Thank you. See you next time.